Hey guys, welcome to tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account online on your PC. And now let's start right in. Now to log into your Hulu account online on your PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address hulu.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Hulu like this, where you can see there is the login button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. But before that, you can see if you have not yet created an account on Hulu, then you can directly register an account on Hulu from the sign up button from over here. If you click on the sign up button or the sign up for Hulu button over here, you'll be taken to the registration process of Hulu. If you have not created an account, go for it. With that being said, let's click on login, and you can see over here there is the let's enter our email address and our password with which we had created an account on Hulu. And let's enter our email address and password. And after entering your email address, let's go after our password. But if you forgotten your email address and your password before we proceed, there is the forgot your email or password button available over here. If you click on forgot your email or your password button over here, you'll be directed to a procedure where you can retrieve your email address or password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said, guys, after entering your email address and your password, click on login over here, and then you'll be signed into your Hulu account online on your PC. And then guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account on your PC. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.